Hey there, shoe lovers! Today, we're tackling a common footwear foe, stubborn shoe odors. Whether it's from long days on your feet or a lack of ventilation, shoe odors can really put a damper on your day. But fret not, because I've got a simple DIY solution that'll banish those odors for good. Let's jump right in. First, let's create our odor-fighting concoction. Baking soda is a powerhouse when it comes to neutralizing odors. Its absorbent properties help to soak up moisture and eliminate foul smells. Add half a tablespoon of baking soda to a bowl. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer. Its acidic nature helps to kill odor-causing bacteria and break down unpleasant smells. Add a few drops of vinegar to the bowl with baking soda. Peppermint essential oil not only adds a refreshing scent, but also possesses antimicrobial properties that can help combat odor-causing bacteria. Add a few drops of peppermint essential oil to the mixture. Now, mix all the ingredients thoroughly to create our odor-fighting solution. Transfer this mixture into a spray bottle for easy application. Spray the mixture liberally onto the areas of your shoes affected by odor. Allow the solution to penetrate the fabric and work its magic. After some time, you'll notice that the unpleasant shoe odor has vanished, replaced by a fresh, minty scent. Say goodbye to smelly shoes and hello to freshness. There you have it, a simple and effective DIY solution for banishing shoe odors using baking soda, vinegar, and peppermint essential oil. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more shoe care hacks and DIY solutions. And remember, happy feet make for happy adventures. Until next time, keep those kicks smelling fresh.